Luxury, power, precision. The 2026 BMW M8 Sport Coupe is back, and it's better, bolder, and more brutal than ever. A high-speed Grand Tourer born from M Division's racing legacy, this is not just a BMW. It's the BMW. Let's take a deep dive into the luxury muscle king of the Autobahn. At first glance, the M8 stuns with sharper aggression. The kidney grille is slimmer and more sculpted, flanked by laser-light tech with new signature DRLs. Flowing lines connect to flared fenders, a carbon fiber roof, and a wide rear stance that screams performance. New forged alloy wheels up to 21 inches, and quad blacked-out exhausts seal the deal. This coupe doesn't whisper its presence, it roars. Inside, the M8 is pure indulgence, with a motorsport soul. You'll find merino leather, carbon fiber trims, and a minimalist layout focused around you, the driver. The new curved BMW iDrive 9 display merges seamlessly with a fully digital instrument cluster, while the optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system turns your drive into a concert hall on wheels. And yes, heated, cooled, massaging seats come standard. Under the hood, the 4.4L twin-powered turbo V8 returns with enhanced tuning. It delivers an astonishing 650 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque, rocketing from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. The xDrive AWD system remains rear-biased, giving you grip when you need it and drift when you want it. Paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and M-Tune suspension, this beast offers both Autobahn blistering speed and tight canyon control. The 2026 M8 is as smart as it is fast. The latest BMW operating system 9 supports over-the-air updates, full smartphone integration, and intuitive gesture controls. A full suite of safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and even autonomous parking. And with the optional xDrive Professional Suite, you get onboard lap timing, drift analyzer, and performance data straight from the track to your fingertips. Don't be fooled by the coupe silhouette. This is a Grand Tourer built for everyday luxury. You get a usable rear seat, a decent trunk with 14.8 cubic feet of space, and a drive mode that can tone everything down for a quiet, relaxing ride through town. This car is as comfortable crossing countries as it is carving corners. The 2026 BMW M8 Sport Coupe is more than an update, it's a statement. It fuses high-speed fury with executive-class luxury. It's refined. It's vicious. It's everything an M car should be. Whether you're chasing lap times or chasing sunsets, the M8 delivers thrill with zero compromise. What do you think? Is this the ultimate performance coupe in the world right now? Let us know in the comments. And if you're loving this level of automotive adrenaline, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more flagship car reviews. Thanks for riding with us, and we'll see you in the next drive, honey.